Once upon a time, in a charming little garden, lived a mischievous young rabbit named Peter. His best friend, Benjamin Bunny, lived nearby. One day, Mother Rabbit gave a stern warning to Peter and Benjamin. "Stay away from Mr. McGregor's garden. It's dangerous," she said. Ignoring his mother's advice, Peter sneaked into Mr. McGregor's garden, followed by the curious Benjamin. They hopped through rows of vegetables, feeling the thrill of their forbidden adventure. Suddenly, Mr. McGregor appeared. Peter and Benjamin had to dash through the garden, narrowly escaping capture. The chase was on,